And some news just breaking here on 5 Live. The Bombay High Court has adjourned its hearing in Kangana Ranaut's plea against the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation over her Pali Hill office demolition. The hearing will now resume at 3 p.m. tomorrow. So no verdict of any kind today. The Bombay High Court has adjourned its hearing until 3 p.m. tomorrow. The big face-off between Kangana Ranaut and the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation, which destroyed her Pali Hill office with bulldozers earlier this month, will be resumed tomorrow at 3 p.m. Okay, let's go straight across and get an update on this story from Vidya in Mumbai. Give us the details, Vidya. Hearing to resume tomorrow at 3 p.m.
Well, Shiv, the court really heard the entire case at a very detailed hearing. Was held almost for 6 hours. Kangana's lawyer argued while, the BMC lawyer argued for almost 1.5 hours. But remember, during this entire hearing, the advocate representing Sanjay Raut did not really put an affidavit as of today. So he has been asked to file an affidavit. Now, why this affidavit is important is because Kangana says that this entire action was malified, had malice because of the sheer fact that it was Kangana Ranaut versus Sanjay Raut. Sanjay Raut had instigated, he had built up the entire machinery of the BMC to go against her, to demolish. So Sanjay Raut's affidavit is extremely important. Sanjay Raut has to tell the court by tomorrow as to whether he had really used those abusive words against her, whether he had actually said, which is in the news clipping that had been provided to the court by Kangana's lawyer, whether he says that, he will teach Kangana a lesson. So whether he has said all this has to be told by him, and only then can the court really come to any conclusion. So that's the reason why this adjournment has happened. Some more arguments tomorrow, and probably after that, this entire court will conclude on this issue. Okay, so not just a legal battle, but also a battle of turfs, a battle of egos, and a big prestige battle between Kangana Ranaut and the Thackeray government in this sense, from the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation and the so-called bulldozer Sena, as Kangana puts it. Thanks, Vidya, for getting us that update.